We reached an important milestone regarding the 2021 partial collapse of Champlain Towers South. Our team at the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, has completed all testing and analysis of evidence collected from the collapse site. We have now returned custody and control of that evidence to the Miami-Dade Police Department. This transfer comes after more than 3 years of meticulous study of the evidence by many experts. Immediately after the collapse, NIST investigators worked alongside first responders and local authorities to make sure that we preserved important evidence that could shed light on what caused this tragedy. We carefully collected, tagged, transported, and preserved over 600 pieces of evidence. We're talking about massive concrete slabs, beams, columns, and walls. These weren't just any pieces. They were crucial evidence in helping us understand why the building initially failed and why the partial collapse claimed 98 lives. Our teams have been measuring, testing, and analyzing every inch of concrete and steel, trying to piece together the pre-collapse condition of the building. Each fragment tells a part of the story, a story that NIST is determined to uncover and explain how this failure led to the tower's partial collapse.
From the larger items, our team removed 665 pieces of concrete, each roughly the size and shape of a paper towel roll, and 376 pieces of steel to measure their material properties. We used machines to crush the concrete and pull the steel to better understand the strength of the materials, how deformable they are, and how their properties may have changed over the life of the building. We also wanted to measure the amount and causes of corrosion found in the steel extracted from Champlain Towers South. In all, more than 1,000 materials tests were conducted at NIST and other laboratories. Why did we need to perform all this testing? Well, it serves 3 critical purposes. First, it's like we're reverse engineering a recipe. By understanding the concrete mix used in Champlain Towers South, we can recreate any part of the building that might have been involved in the collapse. Now we are building full-size replicas of parts of the structure to see how much load they can bear before failing. Conducting full-scale tests that confirm what we see on our models gives us confidence in our solution to this difficult puzzle. Second, we are feeding all this data into sophisticated computer models. These are high-fidelity models designed to accurately represent the building's condition right before the collapse. It's like traveling in a virtual time machine to the moments before the tragedy. And third, these tests help reveal how building materials degraded over time. It's like looking at the building's history from original design and construction of the building through its 40 years. So what's next? Now we are gathering all the results from the tests and computer models created across our projects, piecing together a more precise collapse timeline and zeroing in on the final findings about what caused this tragedy.
But this investigation isn't just about finding the cause of the collapse. It's about making a difference in the future. The lessons learned from Champlain Towers South will likely lead to significant recommendations for improvements to building codes, standards, and practices. And we're not just talking about Florida, but the whole United States and beyond. At the end of the day, NIST's ultimate goal is understanding exactly what happened to prevent another tragedy like this from ever happening again. It is a responsibility we approach with the utmost care and respect, knowing that our efforts are vital to saving lives in the future. As this investigation continues to unfold, we'll keep you updated on any new developments. Thank you.